So the operation is now continued, but the video you're seeing is shot on a Transcend body camera. But obviously it's not my body right now, I'm just holding it. I'm not sure exactly how the image is going to be or how the audio is going to be. Transcend gave this to me earlier to test out, to try out, to sample. This one does have a stabilizer built in, so it should be pretty okay. And it's also okay with the rain. So that's what all of this footage is going to be shot on, and hopefully the audio and the video is okay. So this is an example of how it looks when you're walking. So you can see the chairman's here, General Almedin's here, Jojo's here, and various other people to also check out today's operation. Here you can look at some of the QCPD vehicles, so you can get an idea of how readable the license plates are. Hopefully the audio is okay. There's a lot of people talking here, so that will give you an idea of what it's like if there's a lot of people talking at the same time, although I am raising my voice to try and make it clearer on this video. Actually, I was worried that maybe because it's raining they might cancel it and they won't come together, but sure enough everyone's here, so it's a good thing that I also went here. Now something to consider is aside from the fact that I'm walking, it's also loosely connected to my shirt because I'm just wearing this shirt here. It's not like a heavy duty or thick shirt or anything like that, so it might have extra wobble. In fact, let me just try hold it and see how that is. So right now I'm just walking, I'm holding the camera, walking forwards. And you can see down here there are signs being installed which say no loading and unloading. What we found is that most mornings when we come along here, there's a lot of taxis and jeepneys that are sitting there waiting for passengers. So we're just riding back to the base. There's a car that appears to have crashed. They're asking now where's the TIF, the impound notice and the ticket. Wow, look at that. I don't know what happened.
The airbag is low.
Oh yeah, the airbag, you're right. Here's a rider with no helmet, about to be apprehended. No license, so it'll be impounded. Over here you can see 3 riders on a motorcycle. None of them have helmets. And look, that back rider is only barely hanging on. There is a license, so they'll just issue a ticket and then he can be on his way. Although he has to find a helmet before he continues, and he can't take 3 people. And a small child on there also, no helmet. So this man has a ticket, his license was confiscated. The problem is that acts as your temporary operator's permit, and that expired last year. So it's considered as driving with invalid license, which means the bike will be impounded. No license. So this bike will be impounded. Some riders I've seen have actually turned away and run once they see the MMDA, but they could get chased after by a rider if they do that. He does have a license, so it would just be a ticket, and his passenger will have to go down and he'll have to find a helmet before he continues his journey. Oh, it looks like there's one more rider over there. He also appears to be counterflowing. I don't know why really, because there's not that much traffic. You could just ride on the correct side of the road. Looks like there's another rider here, no helmet, so he's been apprehended. He does have a driver's license, so he'll just be issued a ticket and then he'll be allowed on his way. And you can see the towing crew are just getting into place now. So that's why they pulled in this one. No helmet, no license. No anything. Slippers. Here's another rider, no helmet. He's about to be apprehended. Very calm, whistling. Got the driver's license. There is only a student permit, and it's not even the original card, it appears to be a photocopy.